Hello folks, and welcome back to the Eagle Tips series of videos. In this episode I would like to tell you a few things about the engines of our TLBs. So let's get started. The engine is obviously the heart of the machine, and we are lucky enough to have a sister company, FPT, making the best engines in the planet. FPT makes every year more than 600,000 engines. 600,000! This means one engine for every citizen in Seville in Spain or Stuttgart in Germany. We are very proud of such engines. They are a real asset of our legendary TLBs. Which are the key advantages of our engines? Number one, top class power and torque. It means that you can push hard into the pile and get a super fast response of loads. Number two, low fuel consumption. Thanks to the high pressure common rail technology, combined with lowest percent of recirculated gases. Two different concepts, but don't be worried, we'll come back to this in another episode. Number three, low maintenance costs, thanks to our SCR only solution. And last but not least, high reliability. So this is a very basic overview of the engines of our TLBs. In the next episodes we will go into more details. Please comment here below, tell us more about your experience with these fantastic engines or questions you would like to ask us. Also, our goal in CASE is to give you low fuel costs and more productivity. See you soon, and thank you very much. For the latest news on CASE machines, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and visit our website at casece.com.